In this video, I'm going to take you for a tour of the 2-room Flexi Type 2 showroom at HDB My Nice Home Gallery. We're going to go through every single room and we see how it's decorated to optimize its potential. But before we dive into the details, why don't we start by looking at the floor plan first. This is the floor plan for the 2-room Flexi Type 2. The size is typically about 46 square meters, which is slightly bigger than the Type 1. Basically, you have a bedroom, living room, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a bomb shelter, but there's an additional common room. Okay, let's start with the showroom tour itself. So this is the 2-room Flexi Type 2. The size is 46 square meters, which is slightly bigger than the other Flexi room because this one has that additional extra space. So let's start with the living room. Honestly, this show flat is one of the busiest. It was very difficult to get a clear shot, but this indicates there are really a lot of interest in this 2-room Flexi Type 2. So as usual, this is the living room. You can fit in TV, some cabinets, and I really like that they put more shelves here, and the additional lights at the back really add a more luxurious feel to the space. Now, what is different about this one is that the dining table that you see here is actually foldable, so that if you push it, it will just be part of the cabinet. I think that's very cool. This one is not so big. You can only fit for like 2 people. So this is another angle of the living room itself. Somehow they only put like a 2-seater sofa here. Probably you can still add like a coffee table or study table at the corner. I like that they put some greeneries here so that it adds more vibrancy to the space. Yeah, you can put some books, picture frame, etc. I think it's going to be good. Now this one is the bedroom. Interestingly, it could fit a queen bed, so that's good. Personally, I don't really like the bed sheet design. Like, I don't know. Like, in terms of decor, this flat is not my favorite. Like, even the colors is kind of strange. The light is kind of harsh. But, you know, it is what it is. For the HDB show flat, it's actually being designed and decor by different IDs. So probably it depends on their style and what they are willing to put there. Now there's no direct access to the bathroom itself, so you have to go out to the living room before you can access the bathroom itself. Probably it's good so that your bedroom would not be so damp. So this is the bathroom. Interestingly, they did not put any glass panel here. As you can see, there are some railing there if you need some assistance for support. Now, this is the extra room that a lot of people are curious about. So as you can see, this is quite small. You can probably fit like a single bed here. So that sofa, folding sofa, is not really single size. It's even smaller than that. But probably, yeah, it's good enough if you don't put too many things here, maybe just for a guest to stay here, or maybe for a small family. If you have kids, maybe you can put like some bunk bed or something here. So the space is really not that big for the extra space. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen is basic indeed. It's not that big, but at least you have some cabinets, you have some laundry rack. And then on the other side, you have the stove and also the washing machine. Again, it's not big, but it could be functional depending on how you decorate it. In such a small space, definitely if you have floor-to-ceiling cabinet, it would be very helpful, as you can see here. And I kind of like the small touches here. So for example, I personally like that snack tray on the right. I think it's good that you can just pull it to your living room. And I also like these, I don't know what you call it. Is it like a glass jar, a bottle, or is it like for spices? I don't know, but it looks cool to me. So as you can see, the show flat was very busy that day. Yeah, a lot of interest in two-room Flexi Type 2 for sure. If you're wondering where's the bomb shelter, it's right opposite the kitchen. The size is like pretty standard. It's just a normal bomb shelter. Obviously, it will be more functional if you put shelving here, just like what they put in the show flat. Yep, so that's two-room Flexi Type 2. Now, you might be wondering how to get to these showrooms in case you want to visit it by yourself. And by the way, it is absolutely free to enter and the decor changes like every couple of years or so. So it is definitely worth spending a couple of hours here. Getting to the My Nice Home Gallery is pretty straightforward because it's located right at the HDB hub in Toa Payoh. So just take the MRT and then stop at the Toa Payoh MRT station, take exit A, which will lead you directly into the HDB hub basement. Or if you are coming by bus, the Toa Payoh bus interchange is integrated with the HDB hub. After reaching the HDB hub, you need to go to the main atrium area on the first floor. It is basically the big hall where you can see different BTO miniatures and also town plans. Then take the lift to level 3. The lift is a little bit in the corner, so if you can't find it, just ask one of the officers there. I'm sure they will be willing to help you. And then after that, just walk across the connecting bridge to the show flat gallery. The gallery itself is open from Monday to Saturday, about 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So just make sure you don't drop by on a Sunday or public holiday because they are closed by that time. There are different rooms for different flat types, so you can just go around and see what it's like. Before entering, don't forget to take off your shoes, and I highly recommend wearing socks for hygiene reasons. By the way, inside they have plenty of CCTVs and the guards really do monitor them. So like don't lie down on the bed or tamper with the decorations or something. Like I've literally seen people being called out by the guards through the speakers, so please take note of that. So what do you think? Do you like this showroom or do you prefer a different interior design style? Let me know in the comment section down below. To support my work, you can give a one-time tip by pressing the thanks button, pick the amount that you want, and click buy and send. Or you can also press the join button for exclusive contents and monthly membership. Your support means a lot to keep us independent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!